Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make Popeyes ripn chicken. Yes, this chicken is really crispy and super flavorful. So if you're interested, keep on watching and let's go. I am basically going to clean my chicken with some lime or lemon, whatever you have. Just pour some on there and just rinse it up with some cold water. And basically that is it for the cleaning part. And be sure you are subscribed. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and also like the video, comment down below. Now, to make sure all the flavor get through the chicken, I am using a fork, just poking the chicken. Okay, now I am going to basically form the the fingers looking thingy they have. So that's how you basically form it. Mine was a little too big, but you can also make yours smaller. This is a DIY, do it yourself, however you want to do it, just go for it. Okay, so you can make yours smaller if you want to. Now this is how it looks. It started to look like the ripping chicken, real life ripping chicken. Now I added some buttermilk in a container, and then I am going to let the chicken sit in there for about 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to let that sit. All right, moving on, we're going to make our seasoned flour. So basically I am going to add some oldbay seasoning, and also I added ground black pepper and also some roasted herbs. Okay, now I added a little bit of cornstarch, and we're going to mix everything together. Be sure to check the description box below for the ingredients. Now moving on, I am going to add 2 eggs in a bowl, and then I am going to add some Louisiana hot sauce. You can add as much hot sauce as you want. This is no perfect measurement. It's how spicy you want it. Just go for it. Add however much hot sauce you want. Okay, going to give that a quick mix. Alrighty, now moving on, the chicken been sitting there for 10 minutes. We're going to take it out the buttermilk, and basically we're going to dump the chicken in the seasoned flour. Make sure you get the flour all over the chicken. All right, now I am going to give it a quick shake, and I am going to add it in my egg wash. Now also, if you want to add salt, you can go ahead and add some salt, but I did not add salt whatsoever. Now I am going to add the chicken in the flour again for one last time, and this time make sure your chicken is all the way, the flour get all the way to the wet spot of the chicken, because that's when you really need the flour to be in the chicken. Now shake it off a little bit. Now we're going to put it on a plate and let it sit for about 5 minutes right here, and then we're going to fry this chicken. Now I have my oil, temperature is 375. We're going to cook each side for 6 minutes or until it's nice and golden. I am going to flip it over. All right, look how crispy that chicken looked. Nice. Okay guys, now I am making a little side sauce for myself. I am basically using some sour cream and also some mayonnaise, and also I am using dry ranch. Yes, just going to give that a quick mix. It just tastes so good with the chicken. So just made a quick little sauce for myself. Mix that together, and this is our chicken, you guys. See how golden and crispy that chicken looks? Oh my gosh, it was so good, you guys. It was not too spicy. If you want it to be really spicy, I suggest you add more hot sauce, but it wasn't too spicy, which was great. It gives a really good flavor, and the chicken itself was so tenderized. Like, it was really good. I didn't even notice if I didn't put salt in it. It just tastes good. And the flour that I use, you guys, is self-rising flour. I forgot to mention. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.